Hey guys, DJ Trades here. Are you looking for an easy and effective OTC strategy that you can use on the weekends? Stay tuned to find out. The broker I'm going to be using today is called Pocket Options. It has worldwide access with over 100 trading assets. If you haven't already made an account, I'll have a link in the description below for a free account with a 100% bonus to your deposit. Trading OTC on the weekends can be a great alternative for someone that has a job or doesn't have time to trade real markets during the week, since the markets are open 24/7. But just because they are always open doesn't mean you should trade all day. You still want to follow your trading plan. You always want to avoid overtrading and protect your capital. I'll have a card above for a video on how to create a trading plan. The strategy that we are going to be using is 30-second candles, Bollinger Bands, stochastic oscillator, and support and resistance. This strategy has been proven to work for me time and time again. I'll go over the settings of the strategy, then I'll show you some live trades so you can see it in action. First, you'll need to be on candle and pick 30-second time frame. Now go to indicators and pick Bollinger Bands. In the settings, go to period and choose 20, and in deviation, choose 2. Now go back to indicators and pick stochastic oscillator. In settings, go to input and change the K period to 5. Then in styles and change the 80 and 20 to 90 and 10. Now let's go to the live trades. As you can see in the live trades, I look for levels of support or resistance. When I see a key level being respected, I take a look at the Bollinger Bands to see if the outer limits are being broken. Now we want to look at the stochastic oscillator to see if it is giving us a confirmation that we are on our way back from being overbought or oversold. The indicators are just there to help us. We still need to look at what is going on within the charts. We were able to walk away with more wins than losses. OTC can be tricky since it moves fast, so you might want to enter with a lower amount. This session was only about 30 minutes. I try to get in and out of the market quickly when I trade OTC. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.